I'm going to be sharing 5 tips to help you balance it all. Hey girl, hey. So you got you an Etsy shop and a 9 to 5? Ooh, do you, boo? I love it, I love it, I love it. But you need to know how to balance that whole thing out. I got you. Check out this video and we're going to get right into it. Look, I am super proud of you. It is no easy feat to have a 9 to 5 and run an Etsy shop. Subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss my next video. First tip is to get super organized. The key to getting super organized is to get you a planner and write down each and everything from your personal life, from your 9 to 5, from goals and objectives for your Etsy shop, your doctor's appointments, your children's doctor's appointments, everything. Jot it down in that planner and keep up with it. The second tip is just say no, sis. Just say no. Don't be afraid to say no. There is power in the word N-O. You do not have to overcommit yourself to things that are not going to bring value in your life, your 9 to 5, or your Etsy shop. Just say no if you cannot do it. Do not feel like Superwoman. That's a myth. And Superwoman is not real. The third tip is ask for help. Look, this is something that I struggled with immensely, asking for help around the house. I have a spouse, he's very supportive, and he was more than happy to help me with taking the kids to the doctor and stuff like that while I worked on my 9 to 5 and my Etsy shop. Maybe you have the support of a spouse, or your children can do some additional chores to help out, or you can get someone to help you around the house, a professional domestic worker, perhaps. But just something to think about. The fourth tip is go mobile. There's no way around it. We live in a mobile world, and I love it, to be honest. One thing I want you to think about is downloading the Etsy Sellers app, because that will allow you to manage your Etsy shop on the go. Maybe you're at your 9 to 5 and you have a lunch break. Bring up your mobile phone, bring up that Etsy Seller app and manage your shop. Answer questions from your customers, put up listings, do some research, whatever you need to do to manage that shop while you are at your 9 to 5. Of course, not on the clock, but you're maximizing your time, because you know that's one thing we don't get any additional thing of. The fifth and final tip is make it a win-win for everybody. One thing I want to stress here is to not allow your Etsy shop to interfere with your 9 to 5. That is not to go. Keep it separate, okay? Because your 9 to 5 is paying the bills and you need to be respectful of that employer, just as if you would want an employee to do the same for you. But anywho, there is a way that your employer, your 9 to 5 can win, and also your Etsy shop, y'all, because I'm going to tell you the way I did it is I learned some skills on my Etsy shop that I was able to implement on my 9 to 5. I was one of the first people to ever do it. Kudos to me. I got a lot of accolades for it, but I would not have known that particular skill set if it wasn't for operating my Etsy shop. Yeah, y'all. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it.